Okay, so first let's start off by discussing our immediate family and stuff about us. So, there's the five of us.
Mm-hmm. Who are those five again?
Me, Ryan, you, Keith, our mom, Sue, and my two sisters, Kelsey and Megan.
And I am 47. Mom is 45. And you're how old again?
14.
14. Megan will be 13 in a couple weeks, and Kelsey is 10. And then we also have a dog that's 2. That's Valley. We consider her part of our family. She's very important to us. And we've also recently adopted a cat, I think, because the cat is now in our house quite often. And the cat's name is Pretty Boy. Is that what we call that thing?
Yeah, I guess so. Alright, so during dinner, we were all like sitting different places, and because there were so many of us,
Right.
we were sitting. What?
Well, first of all, who was all here? Can you try to think of everybody that was here? I doubt we'll get everybody, but try to think of who was here.
Well, it was us five, so our immediate family. Grandma and Pop.
Mm-hmm.
Eddie and Kat were here.
Cousin Eddie and his girlfriend.
Yeah. Cousin Mike and his wife, Ann, and their two sons, Mikey and Tommy.
Mm-hmm.
Cousin Shannon was here with her boyfriend Matt and their dog Brody. Cousin Kelly was here from Massachusetts, or
now State College.
Yeah, now State College.
Shannon's from Massachusetts.
Right.
Kelly came from State College.
And Aunt Karen from South Carolina and her
North Carolina.
And her two boys, Conan and Macklin. Cousin Stacy was here with her daughter Karen and Claire. And she also had her boyfriend, what's his name, Rich? Rich. I can't think of anybody else.
Aunt Judy?
Aunt Judy was here.
With her boyfriend...
Chris,
because her husband passed away about 4 or 5 years ago. I'm trying to think, is that everybody? Did you count? I have no idea.
Well, we had Grandma and Pop's two dogs. And that's pretty much it, I guess.
So, since there were that many people here, our house couldn't have everyone sit at the same table. So, I think a lot of the men were downstairs because there was a TV with football on. So they
Dylan was here too.
Dylan was here. Cousin Dylan was here, right? And he goes to Williamson Trade School right now. So a lot of the men sat downstairs, and with the football game on TV, that's usually not a family tradition. We normally, this was the first year it was at our house, and it was always at Aunt Judy's house, and we would have a formal, but it was small. There was usually between 12 and 16 people. This year there was well over 20.
Oh, yeah.
So there were people eating downstairs. I think Grandmom and Pop, Mom, and the Mom's sisters all ate in the kitchen. And I think some of the other cousins were throughout the living room, and the youngest of the kids were probably in the dining room. We were downstairs. I'm pretty sure that's where the young kids ate.
Yep.